Did you know the warm, comforting cup of chai you enjoy isn't just a drink? It's a centuries-old wellness blend packed with spices that energize, heal, and nourish the body. Chai tea, often called masala tea, is one of the world's most beloved spicy sweet beverages, and the benefits go far beyond flavor. Hi everyone. Whether you're new or returning, welcome to Pure Health Through Food. Chai is traditionally made by simmering black tea with a mixture of spices like cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper. Each one chosen not just for taste, but for its powerful medicinal properties. This unique combination creates a soothing, aromatic tea that warms you from the inside out while supporting digestion, circulation, and immunity. The origins of chai go back thousands of years to ancient India, where Ayurvedic healers used these same spices to promote balance in the body. Over time, the recipe was adapted with black tea leaves brought by the British, creating the creamy, fragrant masala chai we know today. What started as a healing tonic became a cultural staple served in homes, markets, and roadside stalls all across India. Today, chai tea's popularity has spread worldwide, and for good reason. Whether you drink it for comfort, for its health benefits, or simply for its rich and spicy flavor, chai is more than just a beverage. It's a tradition, a ritual, and a little moment of warmth in every cup. Chai tea is packed with powerful health benefits thanks to its blend of spices. Ginger and black pepper support digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and reducing bloating. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and may improve insulin sensitivity, while cardamom supports detoxification and freshens breath. Cloves and black tea bring strong antioxidant power, helping fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Together, these spices create a blend that warms the body, soothes the stomach, and supports overall wellness. If you're enjoying this content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Leave a comment and help us reach as many people as possible. Science has taken a closer look at these ingredients, and the research is impressive. Studies show that ginger can help reduce nausea, improve digestion, and fight inflammation. Cinnamon has been studied for its ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Antioxidants in black tea called polyphenol have been linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases and improved gut health. And cardamom contains powerful compounds that may support liver function and even improve breathing by opening the airways. Another benefit that often gets overlooked is chai's effect on immunity. Almost every spice in chai has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Ginger and cloves help the body fight off infections, while cinnamon and cardamom support the immune system by reducing inflammation and strengthening the body's natural defense pathways. When combined, the spices in chai create a warming, protective blend especially helpful during cold and flu season. And let's not forget about energy and mental clarity. Because chai is made with black tea, it contains caffeine, but far less than coffee. This means chai gives you a gentle, steady lift in energy without the jitters or crash. The L-theanine in black tea promotes calm focus, while the spices help stimulate circulation and warm the body. It's the perfect combination for staying alert, relaxed, and energized throughout the day. Now, if you're wondering how to make chai that captures both the flavor and the health benefits, the process is simple. Begin by simmering water with your spices ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper to allow their natural oils and healing compounds to release. Then add black tea leaves, followed by milk of your choice, and let it all blend into a warm, aromatic cup. Sweeten lightly with honey or a natural sweetener if you prefer. This slow simmering is what makes chai so soothing and therapeutic. When it comes to the best time to enjoy chai, mornings are ideal. The gentle caffeine gives you steady energy, while the spices wake up your digestion and metabolism. Many people also enjoy chai in the afternoon as a calming pick-me-up, especially because the L-theanine in black tea helps promote focus without overstimulation. And during cooler months or when you're feeling run down, a warm cup of chai can feel like a natural comfort remedy. Of course, like any powerful blend, chai does come with considerations. Some people who are sensitive to caffeine may prefer to drink it earlier in the day or choose a decaffeinated version. Because chai contains warming spices, those with acid reflux or certain stomach sensitivities might want to start with small amounts to see how their body responds. And if you're watching your sugar intake, be mindful of pre-sweetened chai mixes. They often contain far more sugar than homemade tea. But for most people, chai is a safe, nourishing, and deeply comforting drink. It supports digestion, boosts circulation, strengthens the immune system, calms inflammation, and provides steady energy all in one cup. Its combination of ancient spices and modern science makes it a beverage that truly bridges tradition and wellness. Chai isn't just something to drink, it's something to feel and experience. So whether you enjoy it warm and creamy, lightly spiced, or bold and aromatic, adding chai tea to your routine can be one of the simplest ways to support your health while savoring a moment of peace. A single cup can warm your body, lift your mood, and connect you to centuries of tradition, proof that the best remedies are often the ones passed down through time. Thank you for watching.